Hello again, and before I start tonight's cooking, what I want to do is thank my 314 subscribers. I am so pleased to have got that many, to be honest. I hope you all stay interested. Anyway, let's carry on. Tonight I'm going to cook some cakes. That's it, cakes, fish cakes, white fish cakes with a few added seasonings and flavours and what have you, and they turn out really good. I've done them before, and I'm always pleased as long as you get that nice brown crusty finish when it's all done and it's all plated up. So here we go. Now obviously we're going to need some lovely white fish. Look at this, lovely white fish. You can use haddock, cod, plaice or any type of white fish. For this particular recipe you can use different fish for different recipes, but that's another story. We're going to need a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of horseradish sauce, 1 lemon for zesting, 1 egg, some self-raising flour and some Maris Piper potatoes. And not to forget some salt and some pepper for the seasoning. Now firstly I'm going to boil the potatoes for about 15 or 20 minutes until they're cooked right through. I can tell by using this skewer. Just push it through the potato, and if you don't feel any resistance then you know it's cooked perfectly for mashing. Now the potatoes are on the boil. I'm going to save on gas. I'm going to add this steamer and our white fish fillets. In they go. On with the lid. Then we can cook two things at the same time, saving on gas and saving the environment as well. Okay, so about 5 or 10 minutes later, we have a look. And to me, that fish looks done. Now to mash down the potatoes, we'll add a large knob of butter, like that. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And a teaspoon of horseradish sauce. I've got here some finely chopped flat leaf parsley. We'll chuck that in. Now our lemon zest. Now 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. Now we can put the pan to one side for a moment. Take our fish fillets and just flake those up into small pieces. Flakes quite easily, doesn't it? To our pan. Now I'm checking this mixture. To me, that's a little bit too sloppy. I'm going to put another spoon, or maybe a bit more, of flour in there to make it a bit more solid, so it'll go together in our fish cakes. Okay, so here we have our little factory assembly line. Here's the whisked egg, some breadcrumbs, made from old stale bread in a food processor, just some plain all-purpose flour there. Now we take what we think is about the right amount of our fish and potato mixture. Make that into our little fish cake there. Look at that, how sweet. Into the egg mixture. Cover with breadcrumbs. And there we go, there's our first one. Now here we've got a pan of hot oil on our cooker. And we know when it's ready to start cooking our fish cakes, because if we drop a piece of bread in like that, and if it cooks straight away like this is doing, then your oil is ready. So we take this out and go in gently with our first fish cake, followed by a second one. We'll have to do these in batches because the pan's not big enough. After about 3 minutes we can turn these fish cakes, because what we're looking for is this brown crusty finish. When they're cooked evenly on each side, we can remove them from the pan, put them on some kitchen paper so that they can drain away any excess oil that might still be left. Well, that's it, that's our fish cakes done, and didn't they look good? And tasted great as well. So thank you very much to everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, it's free and you won't miss another video. Well, what more can I say really? I don't want you to miss another one, that's for sure. So anyway, bye for now. Let's try one, shall we? Really is delicious. Can't taste the fish too much, but the crunchy breadcrumbs on the outside really take it to another level.